Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be making these easy eggless Nutella cookies which are perfect for the rainy season to have with some tea or coffee. Let's get to the recipe. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the cookies. These are very simple to make, so all you're going to do is add your baking powder to the flour and just mix it up. Mix with a fork so that you can break all the lumps. Then in another bowl, you're going to take your butter and the Nutella and also the sugar. And you're going to beat with a whisk till the mixture is light and fluffy. Then to this, you're going to just add in the dry mixture and start beating that in. You're going to have to switch to your hands because the mixture will start coming together. And then continue kneading with your hands, and while you're doing this, also add in the milk. Add a little at a time and keep mixing till you have a ball of dough. Your dough should come together like that, and then you're done. You can see how simple and quick that was. Now you're just going to prepare your baking tray. So just line it with some baking paper. So just take a tablespoon of the dough and then roll it in your palms and flatten it. And then you're going to place it on the baking tray. Just leave a little bit of space between them. And then you're going to bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. Once they are done, you can place them on a cooling rack and let them cool if you're patient enough. I honestly love digging in right away, but these taste good, warm or cool, either way. These are nice and golden at the bottom and they are chewy and soft on the inside. These are super quick to make, so try and make them for tea time in the afternoon, and trust me, you won't regret this. I hope you enjoyed this short and sweet recipe. I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye! Take care and stay safe.